Hey guys, welcome to a different video. I noticed that I've been getting a bunch of subscribers from previous eBay videos, and I just wanted to give you guys a full tour of the eBay space. Lately I haven't really been uploading any videos. I've just been streaming some poker on Twitch.
Good job, you won your money back. Alright, just play chill, play chill. Sure, let's do it. How do I do this? Oh, this guy. Let's do half pot. Let's do it. Oh, that sucks for you, my guy. Sucks to be you.
So I might make some poker videos in the near future. If you're interested in seeing some live streams of me playing poker online, I'll leave a link to my Twitch in the comment section below. Feel free to check it out. Let's get started on the tour of the eBay space. So that over there is my house, and what I'm standing in front of right now is the side of the garage. As you can see, I have a little bit of a mess here on the side, and let me just go in the side door here. And as you can see, it is a two-story garage. I'm gonna shut that, and through this door here we have where we actually store the vehicles. Able to park two Toyota vehicles in here. Just mentioned Toyota because that's my car of choice. And we could just go deep diving in here, and going along the side we just have some random storage, bikes, that type of thing, lawnmower. So not the most exciting part of the garage down here. So let's take a tour of the eBay space upstairs. Alright, so going up to the eBay space, as you can already see that there's a dedicated purpose for this upstairs level here. And we have a bunch of boxes here. I have a bunch of boxes that I picked up from the grocery store. If you go to like your local Walmart or any grocery store, they just have a bunch of boxes stacked on U-boats, and you could be like, hey, would it be alright if I took some of these? And more often than not, they'll just say, yeah, sure, take a couple. So I occasionally do that. As you can see, I have a bunch of them, so I don't need to be doing that anytime in the near future. Down below, I have some extra stuffing material if I need to stuff a bunch of boxes. I have a box full of newspaper, a box full of a bunch of plastic material, and in here have a box of these packing peanuts, and just some extra boxes, and some of these USPS priority boxes that are just ready to go whenever I need them. Again, just more boxes. And along here on the packing station, as I like to call it, I have a bunch of used Amazon bags that I received. Every time I receive anything Amazon related, I typically save like either the bubble wrap or the bubble mailers, and I have a decent amount of them to be used. Have some priority bubble mailers. Now you could get these for free on the USPS website. You just need to search on their website like free shipping material, and you could get those for free. And just a box of miscellaneous things, batteries, some pliers, and more space for additional boxes. And I know you can't see in there just because the lighting is horrible. Just have some more boxes from USPS. Same for right here, and a bag of bubble wrap. Down here, some more soft material. Here we have some packing paper. Again, just to stuff boxes if there's a bunch of hollow space in there. Here we have the weighing station. This is a very great scale for eBay. I'll leave a link to it in the description below, but you just turn this on, and it's a platform that you can move around for big, huge boxes. Stick it on there and you can just read it there. It's a great scale. I love this scale. And here we have a little drawer of my little bubble mailers. And down here we have the little poly bags. This one's a medium size. And this one's a larger size for like bigger clothing and such. And here, just more void filling material. Now we have two rooms that we could go into here. Let's go into the less exciting room. Actually gonna have to unlock the door. Alright, had to put the camera down to be able to open this door. So here we have some of the eBay stuff that we weren't able to sell. We're gonna give back to our friend. And this is just a room for storage basically. Just some random things, some bigger boxes that I didn't want having out there. and just some camping material. And we have another room in here that's the actual storage. So here, just a random door here, and a bunch of extra void filling material. These are just mostly just the paper material that you saw out there. We have some popcorn, and some more boxes from USPS that we received for free, and a bunch of painting material. Now, I received all this void fill material from a friend at work. I just told her that I was selling stuff on eBay, and she just happened to have a bunch of this stuff around that she was trying to get rid of, so was able to score a bunch of this stuff for free as well. So be sure to tell people that you're reselling, and they might provide some free packing material for you guys. So closing that door there. All right, going into the main eBay space here. So as you can see, we have this gentleman just hanging here for photos of men's clothing, just the top part. And on our left, you'll see this light that doesn't work because it's so cold. I'm not too sure why, but it doesn't want to work. And when it does work, it just takes an hour for it to actually turn on. So by that point at night, it's pretty much useless. So not sure what that's going on. If we have some electricians watching this video, let me know what your thoughts are. So I've just been using this as my main light. I just come in and flip the switch. And I also have another smaller light over here that I could turn on when it's very dark. We have this half mannequin for women's clothing, and just a place to store extra clothes. Some more storage space up at the very top, and just a place to hang some of our clothes, and just some more junk along the walls here. And we have some more storage bins for inventory. We have this testing station, which I'm not too sure if I'm going to keep here or if I'm going to be moving this and doing something else with this space. Just because I thought about it the other day, I was like, when am I actually just going to be testing DVDs and VHS tapes? That's going to be very rare, so I'm debating just taking this out. We'll see what happens in the near future. Some more storage down at the bottom here, and this is my station here where I keep all the eBay stuff that I've listed on my profile, and just a couple extra bags and stuff for storage. Some VCRs I have listed as well. Along the top hand side, a couple other electronics, and these are a bunch of utility knives and that type of stuff that I have listed. Now, I have this box full of gaming stuff. As you can see, it's very scarce at the moment, and just a couple other things along the side here. Now, this is my wife's listing station and everything that's on her profile. Currently, mostly closed, which is why most of her stuff is able to be stored on this long bin right here. A couple of other things that she has going on, some books, and I think she has like ballet shoes or something like that. And this is just her station here, and then it just so happens I have some bubble wrap here because it's a really convenient place to have it. And what do we have down here? We have this large glass that she currently has listed on her profile, and just some receipts and such, tracking data, you know, that type of thing. And here we have our death pile here full of stuff that we have not listed yet. Not gonna lie, we've been slacking a lot in recent weeks just because we've been working on the house, doing actual projects in the house and preparing for the future, that type of thing. So really need to dedicate a night to start listing a couple of these bad boys and getting them off of this middle section where it's just in the way of everything. That's why I actually haven't been sourcing a lot recently, just because I have so much stuff here that isn't even listed that it doesn't make sense for me to source that much material at the very moment. So this is our beautiful listing station with the bent cardboard that we got at Dollar Tree. So you can pick these bad boys up at Dollar Tree for $1 each, and they make for great pictures. I'm not sure what's going on here. What are these dents? Well, they don't really show up in the pictures, or I think we might be flipping them like this. I'm not too sure. Either way, the dents don't usually show up in the photos. And if they do, we could just remove the bottom piece and just use this brown cardboard surface or this wooden panel back here. So regardless, there's going to be a nice looking picture for the eBay space, especially for smaller items. So like I said, this video is for the newer viewers / subscribers on this YouTube channel. I appreciate so much all the support that you guys have given me so far. Like I mentioned, I haven't really been listing or sourcing recently because I also just recently signed up for this online website that I'm going to be able to source items on, and they offer shipping. The hardest thing for me right now is trying to source for items in my area because my eBay store is only going to perform as well as the items that I can find at Goodwill or thrift stores to be able to flip those items. And if no one's donating any good items, then I don't have anything to flip. So I'm trying to find a lot more online resources, and I believe I found a site I could use. However, I can't buy anything until 30 days after I sign up. So I'm just waiting for that time to take its course, and after the 30 days are up, I'm going to see if I could actually start buying some stuff on the site to be able to sell. We'll see where that takes us. I've also been playing some online poker, so I'm trying to see if I can make any money doing that. I've been trying to learn strategies, trying to figure out, you know, different hands I should play and how I should bet, that type of thing. So if you're interested in seeing that, I've been streaming it on Twitch, so I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.